Welcome to Make It with the Makermobile, a Pioneer Library System program. For today's project, we'll be making a customized laser engraved monogrammed bulletin board. You will need a 12 by 12 piece of corkboard and a computer or tablet with access to the internet. On your computer or tablet, go to monogramframes.com. This site is a fun and easy way to create a monogram in just minutes. Scroll through the monogram designs on the right until you find one that you like. There's so many cool designs it's going to be hard to choose, but I think I'll try this nice tree design here. Now it's time to choose a font. This one will work. Type your name here and use this bar to make it the size that you want. Scroll down a little to download your file. Check the box and download as an SVG file. Email your file to us at makermobile@pioneerlibrarysystem.org. We'll contact you and let you know what steps are next. The Makermobile uses an Epilogue 40-watt laser engraver. In addition to cork, we can engrave wood, glass, acrylic, and many other materials. Go to epiloglaser.com and click on their Sample Club page to get more great gift ideas like laser engraved pillowcases and embossed rolling pins. Our laser cutting bed is 12 by 24 inches, so be sure to keep that in mind when choosing a project. Visit the PLS website for more great gift ideas and click on the links below to view additional Makermobile tutorials. Thank you for joining us. We can't wait to see what you make. Have fun!